what I'm gonna make for a video today. Oh, I got an idea! I just had a great idea! In today's video, we're gonna connect our Commodore 64 Ultima to our computer over here. And we're gonna be able to share files by connecting to our router. And that's what today's video is about. So let's, I'll get right back. I'll be right back.
Go ahead and turn on your computer. Then hit the Commodore and Restore key at the same time. This will bring up a little menu. Let's view the file browser. We can see an SD card, a flash card, and a temp folder. This is what I want to see on my PC. Now let's go down to Network Services and Time Zone. Once you're here, go to FTP File Service. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. Say that 50 times. We're going to enable this and save it. After that, we need to connect our Commodore to a network. It has to be the same network that your computer's on so they can talk to each other. So if it's wireless, it has to be a wireless one. Or wired, it has to be a wired one. In my particular case, I've chosen to connect to the wireless. I guess that means I better go enable the Wi-Fi. So it's up here. I'll be darned, it looks like mine's enabled already. So let's go down to Select Access Point from List. The computer will start scanning for access points. Oh, there's mine! Bad boys, because I'm a bad boy. Well, I better connect to it and put my password in. Hey, don't look at my password. No free internet for you, otherwise you'll be the bad boy. I think I'm going to reboot this computer now. Just make sure everything's saved. So hit F1. Choose Power Reset, go down to Cycle Power. When the computer comes back up, you're going to hit the Commodore and the Restore key at the same time to come back into the menu. From there, we're going to go back to Wi-Fi network setup. Now that we're here, I got a couple things I want you to check. Under status, the link should be up. If it's not up, we did something wrong. Got to do it again. We're connected to your Wi-Fi, which mine is the bad boys. And then we have an active IP address. Write yours down. It will be different from mine. Write it down on a piece of paper because we're going to need that in just a little bit. We are done with your Commodore. Now let's go over to your computer.
We're done with this computer for now. Now we're going to access the SD card that's on that computer on this computer over here. How you do this?
Since we're at the computer, let's just double check, make sure we're on the same Wi-Fi. Oh, yup, there, bad boys, that's my Wi-Fi. Okay, find your File Explorer. It's a little folder that helps you manage your files. I put mine on the taskbar here. Yours might be in the Start menu. Well, anywho, remember that active IP address I told you to write down? We're going to put it here. We're going to start off by putting FTP : // then your IP 192.168.0.54. Yours might be a different number. And there you have it, just like that. We have our 3 folders that were on our Commodore 64. And if you click inside of them, everything's in there. That means we can run stuff and save stuff all without having to be there. How great is that? And if you want, you can add a network location. Let me show you. Click at the top where it says Add Network Location. Click Next, then choose Custom Network Location. On the line, type FTP : / followed by your active IP address. Click Next, and then you can name your network. I'm feeling lazy today. I'm just going to leave the number. And there we got it. Our own little network access to our Commodore files. Let's see if it works. And by Joe, it does. Who's Joe?
Somebody call for Joe?
Another thing you can do is you can take your computer over here and load games onto your Commodore 64 over there. Let me show you how to do that.
Go back to your Commodore 64 Ultimate, hit the Commodore and Restore key to go to the menu. From there, go to the Network Services and Time Zone. After that, I want you to enable the Web Remote Services. Just like that. Oh, and don't forget to save it. We're done with the Commodore for now. Let's go over to the other computer. Once you're here, open up your web browser. I don't care if it's Google Chrome or Edge, just open it up. Now just simply go to the address bar and type in your active IP address from your Commodore. It's the one I told you to write down before, remember? After you typed all that in and hit enter, if you did it right, you should come up to this web page. Of course, if it didn't work, what you need to do is reboot your Commodore 64, and then maybe try re-logging into your Wi-Fi. Oh yeah, where were we? This is the Commodore 64 web control panel. Think of it as a remote control. From here, I can reset the machine, run programs, and even open the menu. But I can't access the files. That's what FTP is for. If you look on the top left, you can see your Commodore 64 screen. And if you look on the right, you'll see the regular PC screen. It makes it a lot easier if you see them side by side. On the top, we have Home. That's where we are now. So don't ask me why they put it there. And underneath, we have SID Player. If I had a SID Player file to play, I could play that on my Commodore 64. Underneath that is for executing programs or cartridge files, which I have. So let's find a cartridge file to send over to our Commodore. How about Hero? Let's run it. Ooh, Activision. And while that's loading, I'm gonna look for another game. How about, ooh, Hello. Oh, that sounds like a naughty word. Well, I'll run it anyway. Oh boy, that's some scary music. I better look for another game. What do you think about, Hot Pop? Poppin' Hot or something like that. Whoa, for a moment there, I thought that said hot poop. Good thing it's pop. Oh, my tummy's rumbling.
I'll get right back. I'll be right back.
Another thing you can do is the basic editor. With the basic editor, you can write your own programs and send them over to your Commodore 64U and then run them. Watch you write a simple 2-line program. 10, print quote, hi, quote, enter. 20, print quote, how are you, quote, enter. Next, we're going to click on the upload to upload it to your Commodore. And if we go over to the Commodore and type in run, enter, it should say, hi, how are you on the screen? Well, let's go check it out. R-U-N, enter. Hi, how are you? Yay! You know what this means? You can download text files onto your computer, port them over to your Commodore 64, and play them. That's kind of cool.
Well, I hope you like my video. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Until then, I will see you later. Oh my tummy. Here it goes again.